Hey guys, how is it going? It's Dmitry here. And in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about another new functionality that nowadays we can use in JavaScript. It's called matchAll. Guys, this particular functionality, it works together with the regex, and like usually, software developers, they kind of somehow they learn this regex on their own and just investigating, and yeah, look guys, again, at the end of the day, I guess it's better if you find some material about regex, try to play around and come up with your own examples and just try to practice regex. But in general, regex itself, it's a language obviously that, or scripting that allows you to match stuff. For example, if you would like to know if this string contains a specific piece of data, then regex would allow you to do that, like to find if it contains this specific part of data or not. So anyway, back to this matchAll, guys. So you can see here we're still working with our string, and this is the string we have, right? Also, this is the regex expression that I'm using. And guys, as probably some of you know, in these brackets we define the actual groups, so-called groups, regex groups. So guys, what this functionality allows us to do, and let's run it first. So guys, you can see here, right, what's happening. First of all, you can see it's an array, and it contains two arrays, right, inside of that. So, and guys, what's happening here, we have this string, and based on this expression, this string is going to be divided into parts, test1 and test2, right? So that's essentially, that's what you can see here. It's test1, then this is the first group, this is the second group, based on these groups, right? And it's showing that it's a first group, it's related to the first group, and then it's showing you the index where match was started, the index that started from matched. And in this case, it's of course it's 0, right? Because it started from t. And then the second one started from 5, right? And obviously the same properties, right, as in case of this first group. So guys, and yeah, also it shows out the actual input, right, that we used. And guys, you can see the groups here are empty. So I'm going to now populate these groups. In order to do that, guys, we can define labels. They call them labels actually. So in order to do that, it's a question mark, more or less signed, and inside I'm going to specify the actual name of the group. For example, I'm going to say group 1, and then I'm going to do the same stuff here, group 2. And now guys, if I run it, you can see here, so it's showing us E, this is the actual the first group, right, and ST, this is the second group. So it can be handy in some cases. And where it can be used, guys, this kind of grouping stuff. So essentially, imagine if you have an email, right, and you have like the main part and you have the main part, right? So, and yeah, probably in this case or in some other cases, but yeah, essentially that's what this functionality allows you to do. It's just showing the actual groups, right? The name, to name the groups, and yeah, some extra details like index that match was started from, right? And this kind of stuff, right? So guys, I think like in general, again, let's just recap. Like literally you can use another really old functionality, and it's called, let's define another array 2, and I'm going to say string.match, and the same regex expression, and let's just log this out. Console.log, and let's see what kind of result we got. So guys, you can see straight away we get in an array of values, and essentially this is the same as this, right? But we don't have this extra details, right? So we have just we receive the actual matches, and in some cases it's more than enough, right guys? But like again, in some cases like working with emails, these extra details can be you know, interesting to know. So that's why, yeah, I guess this new functionality was introduced. And yeah, that's guys the difference between like our existing functionality, that existed for some time before match, versus this new match all functionality. That's the main differences between these two functionalities. And guys, yeah, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully guys you got the idea, you know, and hopefully you like this tutorial. Guys, if you like this tutorial, please press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet guys, please subscribe if you follow my tutorials guys. And thank you very much guys, I see you next time, goodbye.